Yeah.
Right? You don't have to go up to create more spin.
Yeah,
Going
you just go
forward
forward.
means is this. So let's say you're pointing over there.
Yeah.
Like you're pointing like this.
Yeah.
Instead of like right now you're going up like this.
Hey, what up guys? I'm gonna keep the intro short for this one, but I got another video with Olympian Feng. This was from a lesson that I took back in March of this year where I worked on fixing my forehand stroke a little bit more when I loop. It was where my elbow would keep flaring up, and we worked on how to correct it. And I also worked on improving my serve. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And if you haven't, subscribe and follow along. All right, yeah, I'm gonna leave more information in the description of this video, and hope you enjoy the video. Like this?
And then go straight forward. Don't go up. Okay, good. Straight forward. Better. Don't go up. Still going up. Yes. 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 You know, after a while, you're opening up again, and then you have to do this.
Oh.
You have to go up. Let me just remember, going forward.
I have to go up?
Yeah, because,
No, like what did you say?
because if you do this,
Yeah.
you're kind of doing this,
Yeah.
right? You're not going forward, okay?
Okay.
Usually you open this much when you're looping underspin,
Okay.
okay? It's closed,
Yeah.
and then this is like perfect,
Yeah.
right? You don't have to go up to create more spin.
Yeah, you
Going
just go
forward
forward.
means is this. So let's
Yeah.
say you're pointing over there.
Yeah.
Like you're pointing like this.
Yeah.
Instead of like right now you're going up like this.
Yeah.
This is right now what you're doing, right? You want to do this.
Okay.
You see how forward is this?
Yeah.
This is not going to move your elbow or anything.
Right. Yeah. So just keep doing it. Like
Yeah.
something like this.
Yeah. Yes. Good. 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 Yes. Good. Yeah, you should be able to see the few four shot was really good.
Yeah, yeah.
what
I mean, I think the feeling and the sound is good,
Yeah.
right? Like the.
And then as soon as after that, you open up again.
Oh, really?
The moment you open, like you're fucked. Yes. Forward, forward. When you contact with the serve, closer to your body. Don't contact over here. Contact, right? When you contact your body is straight, like this. When you serve.
So that's what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you contact, you should have your body come down when you contact, and as close as the contact as possible. So instead of doing this,
Yeah.
right? When you contact, come in.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. The body doesn't come up so much. It's always down. Okay. More.
More down?
Yeah. Your chest come in more. Yes. It's not the moment of coming in, right? It's before you're about to hit the ball, you come in and then contact the ball when you're at the lowest.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You don't start coming down after the contact.
Okay.
Okay? Serve, serve, serve. When I push down, you should start coming down, and then you're coming down with your hand, right? And then you're down at the lowest point when you contact. Serve one more. I'll show you. You'll find the feeling.
I feel like the ball's still too high. Did I toss it too high?
No. It's fine.
Like.
Down. Yes. You want to contact. Yes. Serve one more. And also tap Come over here. First, you wanna tap for the cue, right? And also, when you serve, right, you don't come up like this. You're still down. The body is always down. Okay, you see? I'm always really close to the ball, right?
Okay.
I'm not like this. This is hard to serve when your body's here and then your hands here. You want to be here, like on the same level. Like literally serve like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, better?
Like that?
Yeah. After you serve, don't walk. Serve and then start moving.
Oh, that's good.
The edge. That was like literally here.
No, I hit it like
No, that was the edge.
That was actually
Just like that.
I missed.
Both of them were edge. Move and tap. Okay, good. When you serve a no spin, don't serve it so hard. Okay, it's more like it's not a soft one, but like
not soft? Like
like this, but you know you're still accelerating. Like right now, you're kind of like doing like this. It's like too hard.
Yeah.
I want you to go a little bit. 粘液柔怎么说？柔怎么说？啊 Not a soft. It's not a soft. It's like a tender.
Like fine?
Like gentle.
Like a... Yeah, but like... So for...
Yeah, but that one you didn't accelerate. You're just like touching the ball. The ball is really slow, right?
Yeah.
You still have to accelerate, but you're so slow.
It's hard to get that feeling.
Yeah, that's
For
like,
no spin, like...
I'm just telling you, what you should look for. Okay, a little better. Make it two tap.
No, it's that one's hard.
Okay, I know why.
Why?
Because you're only using your arm.
Like this one that I used to do? Like I feel like I do
that one was a little bit better when you contact. Good. That wasn't bad. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's just like when you come back, you should come back a little bit faster when you move back.
Yeah. Yeah, I think, I don't know, maybe before I was just trying to swing too much. And
No, that's perfect.
No, this was better. This felt better. But, before I meant.
Before,
I feel like
there's like basic, logic understanding you have to understand,
okay.
right? A lot of times, like you say you're preparing for neutral,
Yeah.
but there's not really any options to come back neutral.
Yeah.
There most of the time coming back understand like this kind of like logic. I think you have to explore a little bit more. Come back faster. Yes, after you do this, come back faster.
What do you mean come back? Oh, you come back like outward. Okay.
Okay, pretty good.
Long, right?
Yes, if you see that, you gotta tap one more time. Good. Okay. I'm using my correct gear, Yola.
Why?
This is the advertising. Dude, you can't see anything.
You gotta get it closer. It's focused on the far distance too much right now.
The lighting is off.
What? Oh, come on.
Ale!
0-1. That was easy too. So
Ale!
or like whatever this hand thing. But even underspin, I don't think I'm changing it.
Nice receive.
2-6. Eh, why?
Hi.
2-10. So bad. Okay, again. Another one. Nice. Hey, use. Troll it!
I didn't make that?
No! 2-1. Ball sounds funny. Okay, well. Ball sounds a little weird, no?
Can't see. What?
Ball sounds weird, no? You think it's okay? 2-1. Shit, should have attacked it. 2-2. Ugh. 3-2.
Benny.
Sounds.
Dude, it's not a problem of the ball.
Sounds.
3-star.
All right, 2-4. Five, 3. Sa. 3-7.
It's not the ball.
It's the ball.
It's not the ball.
9-3.
How did I miss that?
9-4.
Come on.
Ah, why? It goes under my paddle. 4-10. No spin! I opened it so much.
Ale!
Side spin. Cruiser.
How did I miss that? Come on.
1-4.
Not possible.
Come on! 6-1.
Ah!
Stop giving back. All right, 1-7. One 8. It's okay. Trying new things. 1-8. Me too.
Knew he was gonna serve long. Yeah, I read you like a book. Yo, you got the wrong spot. That was so close. 9-2. 210. That was bullshit. What's up? It's not really underspin. Nothing, everything's dead. 0-2. Fucking A. See that? 0-3. Shut up. That was a fault. Okay. That was a fault though. 3-1. What the? Why is it like hanging out there? 4-1. Two 5. This one, it's always top spin. 6-2. Seven 2. Three 7. Ah, step in 7. Reach. Yeah, it's 3-8. Fuck. 9-4. How come you don't use CGX on the backhand? 4-10. What?
How come you're not using CGX on the backhand?
Nice kick.
What the? Thank you.
You gotta recover. You loop and then you just watch it stand
I
there.
see
and
where
watch.
it's going.